Cool stuff to do in the desert. I gotta talk fast because I'm on the side of a freeway, and every 5 seconds a big giant car drives by as the desert dwellers are headed back into town. Anyways, cool things to do in Southern California in the winter is come out after the rains and check out all the beautiful greenery out here in the desert. We'll show you a bunch more stuff as the day goes on.
Da chamada, chamada, na cena, chamada, 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 na cena, marcada, chamada.
One of my all-time favorite hikes in San Diego County is the Palm Canyon. We're actually going to hike all the way up. Hopefully we see some bighorn sheep today. They are actually, it's mating season, so we might see a little, you know, but they'll definitely be ramming into each other if we see them. Hopefully there's some cool stuff, a lot of flowers. There's been a lot of rains lately, so should be a good day. There's a fun hike. There's actually an oasis up here, so if you've never seen an oasis, this is a good place to see it. It's right here in Anza, Borrego, about an hour and a half away from San Diego. One of the other cool features out here is the roofless bathroom, so you can enjoy your time on the toilet with a nice view. But I want to ride one.